How to add or install apps to LG TV. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily add or install the applications in your LG Smart TV. For that, first of all, you just have to press this home button on the remote control, and then you will be able to see this type of screen on your LG Smart TV. Now among these options, you just have to go and select the option of apps. In the apps, you will be able to see this search icon in the top, so you just have to use the search bar, and here in the search bar you just have to search for that particular application which you want to basically download in your LG Smart TV. After selecting the application or after searching for it, you just have to select on its icon. Here you will be able to see an install button, so you simply need to press the install button, and this way that particular application will be start downloading or installing in your device. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.